King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain sticks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. If you are interested in learning how to make this beautiful lavender lip gloss, then keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is get my Get Suckered lip gloss base and squeeze about 3.6 ounces of this into a plastic bowl. I'm not using a lot just because I'm not going to sell this gloss. I'm just going to give some away for free to the next few people who make an order on my site. So that's why I'm not making a whole lot of this gloss. So since this is my first time using this measurement of gloss base, I'm going to eye how much oil I need to add. So I'm going to start off by adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And of course, next I'm going to go ahead and add our polyisobutene. Polyisobutene is great for giving your gloss that extra shine. I'm going to go ahead and give that a nice mix, and remember, everything that I use in today's video will be linked in the description below. So I'm only trying to fill about 3 squeeze tubes and 3 wand tubes, so that's why I'm not making a lot, and I felt like this would be the perfect measurement to have enough to just fill those small amount of tubes. Where that nice lavender beautiful color is going to come in, I'm going to go ahead and add a bright purple concentrate from TKB Trading and a light white lip liquid pigment from TKB Trading as well. I'm going to start by adding 1 drop of the purple and 3 drops of the white, but that is not going to give me the color that I want, so I'm going to add 1 more drop of the purple. So you want to add 2 drops of purple and 3 drops of white to get this beautiful color. As you can see, the base is starting to turn like a very light purple, but it's very faint and it's hard to see. So I'm going to go ahead and add that 2nd drop of the purple concentrate so that we can get the lavender color that we want. Also, I'm going to add about 2 more tablespoons of the coconut oil just because I don't like the consistency of the gloss right now. So I'm going to add a little bit more oil. That I added that 2nd drop of purple concentrate, we're starting to get that lavender color, and I'm really excited and I love this color, so we're going to keep it as is. Some coconut flavoring oil. I wish I had lavender, but I do not, so I'm going to add coconut instead. and show you guys how I get that extended piece on my syringes. I get a lot of questions about that, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. So just watch. Also, all you're going to need is your syringe, a pipette, some scissors, and some clear tape. It's that simple. That's how you get the extended piece on your syringe. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill my syringe with the gloss base and start to fill the tubes. This color is so pretty. Like, I love this color, and I know you guys will too. Let me know what you think. I'm obsessed. After filling the 6 tubes, this is how it turned out. It's absolutely gorgeous and I love it. So lastly, I'm going to go ahead and add the tops and caps to each of these 6 tubes. And here is an arm swatch of this lavender gloss. It's so pretty. I love the color. It is perfect and turned out just the way I wanted it to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.
King got the hammer in the king king got the hammer king got the hammer in the ring. Got the hammer in the ring.